Nestled among the Tian Shan Mountains in China's Xinjiang lies the Bayanbulak Grassland, the largest alpine grassland in China. It covers an area of more than 23,000 square kilometers. Bayanbulak means rich spring water in Mongolian. The surrounding snowy peaks act like a huge reservoir, delivering abundant water resources to the grassland and forming a huge number of lakes and marshes. On the flat grassland, even a small force can alter the direction of a river. Kaidu River, which is composed of meltwater from the Tian Shan Mountains, has a total length of more than 500 kilometers and has more than 10,000 bends. Find the right viewpoint, and as the sun sets, it's possible to see the reflection of 9 suns all at the same time. The grassland interior is a paradise for animals. In March each year, juvenile swans set off from India, Southern Africa, and other distant parts of the world to live and breed here. For the young swans, as they learn to fly, the Himalayas pose their first challenge.